put it on my car. Oh yeah, the mower. We're gonna measure some poles. Hey Brandon, how does it make you feel to measure some pole?
I like measuring pole.
Awesome. Yeah, we're good. Let it rip. Jesus. Yeah. Yep. Keep going right. Yeah, you're clear now. Yeah, keep going. It's just a little wedge, you can do it. It's almost there. There you go. It's in. Yeah, we're not gonna make this turn. Well, maybe. Yeah. But that's good enough. All right. How does that feel, Brandon? Oh, that's awesome. There you go. Nice. Not bad. Not bad.
You didn't have to pull that off and be able to back this up.
Yeah.
Wiggle that wire, Josh. Okay, you pull.
How hard? There's 2 wires.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure. Are you both holding the door?
No, just Brandon. It's on the chair.
It's on the chair.
See, we're working smarter.
Got it?
Did he get it? Did he get it? Did you get it? Jiggle it, jiggle it.
Yeah.
Jiggle. Is that all of them?
Free.
Or you could have just wheeled it over like the hot stud you are, or were you just trying to show off? Poor Nick.
I am not good.
You know where the weight room is? I'll check it on.
I need a chiropractor.
Rocco. Nick doesn't want to be filmed. I don't know why I'm whispering. There we go. Should be free. Jack her up a little bit. It only recorded 10 minutes. But the engine is out. So, oh shit, I should probably light the pilot light again. You got your lighter on you? Oh no. Did you find an overhauling? Don't tell me you bought the overhauling banner.
Oh,
Did you
I
find?
found one that make them custom.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Hi. Oh shit! I almost dropped it. Fuck.
It is.
How much you like this?
All right. I think this is what is this? Day 5 months.
Day
5
5 months, yeah.
Day 5 months.
As you see, we got Nick working on the interior there.
Yeah, we're just sitting here being lazy. Say hi, Nick.
See, there's Nick over there. But I'm just doing some cleaning right now. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna send it off to the body, get the chip foose wheels done on it, and hopefully it'll be a paint here pretty soon.
Chip Foos Wheels. All right. Yeah, Chip. This video is sponsored by Chip Foos. Oh, sweet.
See all that
Sweet.
and have it all new. Yeah, that's where I can start, dude. And then obviously they sell every replacement panel for this thing, so do they sell the full quarter or do they sell
They do sell the full quarter.
both? Well, that'll after you get it blasted, that'll tell you where you need to be, see if there's any rust up in the panel itself.
Yeah. We were talking about if it's bad enough, just getting the whole skin for the back.
But if it's not, if it doesn't go up any farther than this,
What did you guys give? Seen a lot. You got 600.
Jesus, he was gonna do it too. I did.
Take two.
I did forget to hit the record button.
She goes, well, the one that self-propelled one. I'm like, we didn't even have self-propelled when I was going.
Shut up, Alexa. Oh, fuck.
What's up?
Hey, that's on video too. It's awesome. Awesome. Hi. Hi.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. This is video. And it's, you know, a lot of shaky cam, you know, because we're in a Michael Bay movie.
Do you have a hand?
Huh. Well, I think we have a car on a rotisserie. Oh. I think it would have worked great. You forgot your gloves. Works pretty good. Need a hammer? Yeah, that one. That one over there. What are you doing? Hey. One down. Ow! Down my heel.